Shreya Raj to present bouquet to our principal ma'am.
जय जय हे मधुसूदनकामिनि आदिलक्ष्मी सदपालय
Morning, respected principal ma'am, director sir, esteemed faculty member, teachers, senior, juniors, and my dear friend. I am Aman Raj of class 9D, feeling very privileged to have the opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude and admiration for our esteemed principal ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Meena Kumar. From the establishment of our school in 1993 to the present year 2024, her journey has been one of unwavering dedication and remarkable achievement. Thank you for inspiring the student to achieve their dreams. Thank you, ma'am.
Respected principal ma'am, my dear colleagues and all my lovely students. Today as we are going to celebrate Foundation Day, at the same time it's a coincidence. Today is our principal ma'am birthday here. And you know the one more thing which we all teachers know, this is the gift. The school is the gift from director sir to our principal ma'am. The director sir has given the gift this school to principal ma'am. On Foundation Day, we elect our council member. So now I am going to take the name of all the council members. So we will start from the president. I will request our principal ma'am to honor academic session 2024 and 25 all the council members. Sangeeta Swaroop ma'am will give the badge to principal ma'am. Now our school president, Miss Shreya Raj. Vice President, Master Manthan Raj. All the captain, vice captain. Miss Radhika Kumari from Sapphire House. The Sapphire House color is blue. Vice captain from Sapphire House, Master Anant Kumar Singh. Now from the Topaz House, I am going to take the name of the winner house of April month, because during the bulletin board decoration, the green house was the this house got the first prize of bulletin board decoration. After the captain, vice captain, we would like to honor and give the badge to our council member. Miss Aarti Kumari. They were from the Red House. All the council members have the tough job because they have to look after every day to the school activity. Now from the Blue House, Master Ishan Singh, Miss Prachi Singh, Emerald House, Green House, the winner house. Harani, Kumar, now from the Yellow House, Kumar, Miss Simran Kumari and Master Anand Kumar. Now this is the time for the class monitor, the very close to all the class teacher or the class monitor. Fifth B, the class teacher is Sangeeta Singh, Lakshmi Kumari. They both are getting back from our beloved principal ma'am. Now from the 6A, the class teacher Mrs. Ranjana Sinha. 6B, the class teacher is Bunty Kumar and the monitor Ansh Ujjain and Sargul Sharma. Ansh Ujjain और सरगुल शर्मा. Seventh A class teacher Mrs. Pramila Raj and the monitor are Aman Raj, Kaushik Kumar. The 7th A, the special section of 7th class. The class teacher is Pramila Raj, Aman Raj and Kaushik Kumar. Now the 7th B, the class teacher is Pooja Singh. 7th B, the girl section. Pooja Singh is the class teacher, Ashik Kumari and Sri Kumari. They both are the monitor of 7th B. Now the 7th C, the class teacher is Ravi Ranjan sir. The monitor are Harsh Sharma, Shivan Shekhar. 7C. Eight A, the class teacher. 8B, the monitors are Shivansh Tiwari and Anmol Anand. Class teacher is Mrs. Sangeeta Sharma. Eight C, the class teacher is Mrs. Sangeeta Swaroop. The monitors are Annu Kumari and Shriya Sakshi. 8D, the class teacher is Deepak Mishra. The monitors are Fatima Johra and Ashish Kumar. Fatima Johra and Ashish Kumar. Ninth A, the class teacher is Mr. Anshuman Gupta. The monitors are Shibam Kumar Ansraj and Vaibhav Vimal. 9th A student Shibam Kumar Ansraj and Vaibhav Vimal. Class teacher Mr. Anshuman Gupta. Ninth B, the class teacher is Shashank Mishra. The monitors are Roshan Kumar and Samarth Jaiswal. Ninth C, the monitors are Supriya Giri and Palak Rani. The class teacher is Mrs. Diva Sarmi. Ninth D, the class teacher is Om Namah Shivaya Singh. The monitors are Aryan Kumar and Shyamsi Sinha. Tenth A, the class teacher is Mr. Somnath Roy. The monitors are Prince Kumar, Vipul Vijeta. 11th 10th B, the class teacher is Mr. Vivek Kumar Jha. The monitors are Adarsh Raj and Satyam Kumar. Adarsh Raj and Satyam Kumar. Then C, the class teacher is Miss Draksha Praveen. The monitors are Satakshi Jha and Srisha Jha. Then C, the girls section, the class teacher is Miss Draksha Praveen. Then D, the class teacher is Mr. Anuranjan Kumar. The monitors are Abhishek Raj and Vikas Kumar Singh. Then D, Abhishek Raj, Vikas Kumar Singh. 11th we have just started, so still we did not appoint any monitors. So the standard 12th class, the monitor from the commerce, the class teacher is Mr. Sumit Kumar. Teacher Mr. Sumit Kumar Poddar. The monitor Adil Aftab and Dev Raj. Twelfth science. The class teacher is Mr. Pranav Kumar Pandey. The monitors, the senior most class of New Era Public School, 12th Science and 12th Commerce. The 12th Science class teacher Mr. Pranav Kumar Pandey. The monitor Himanshu Yadav, Absi Singh.
Swear that respecting the rules and regulations which given us with the desire in the true spirit of session 2024 and 25 for the honor and glory of our school. Thank you.
The second prize from 7th B, Akanshi Kumari. In section standard A, Kumari. The first and the third prize, Sadhu Kumari. स्पेशल स्कूल को आप बोल दीजिए. He the Shivan. Have you seen that during the dance and all program, having the gun and all, he had to create and he had to make it. Having the special skill. She is very good to prepare the statue from the clay, and she has made it one. When the Sangeeta Sarup ma'am asked, she has made it one Lord Shiv event.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, all the teachers and all my dear friends. I, Shreya Raj, President of New Era Public School of Session 2024-25.
Happy Foundation Day. Say, yeah. So it's really a great day for me and for New Era Public School family to celebrating this 31st Foundation Day. So when I think and see long back, it's the day when I started the school, and now just think of that. Now that time it may be I'm 30 years, so now another 31, I'm 61 and I'm running the school so far, and that place we have started with the 9 students to this much of this scale. So this is what had happened. That was a magic of my all the students, parents, that is having the faith on me, and all my teachers, all the staff members, their commitment and their sincere effort and hard work. And the students, they are the main force doing well, discipline, reaching to the big heights and keeping the society put good position. This all makes New Era Public School the best school of this new era of this the society. So I will like all of you to please clap for this foundation. For the year 24-25, all the bright students are standing in front of me, and first of all I will like to recognize and like to congratulate to all the council members for the schools and the taking the responsibility for the class that monitors. And so Shreya, my lot of love and good wishes for you for taking this responsibility, and all of you children, you are doing very well, and this is that all I want to say for this foundation.